Cardamom Plum Banana Milkshake or Cardamom Plum Banana Milk Smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the Cardamom recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the banana recipes and one of the most different of the banana milkshake recipes and one of the most delicious of the cardamom milkshake recipes and one of the most different of the plum recipes. We're going to make cardamom plum banana milk smoothie. We've taken around 50 to 60 grams of sugar, around 60 to 70 grams of banana cut into small pieces, around 100 grams of plum, and 5 to 6 cardamom pods. Put in the sugar and the cardamom pods. Close and grind well. Put in the banana pieces and the plum pieces. Into the grinder. Close. Grind well. Open. Pour in to the milk. Close and grind well. Now the plum banana milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Now pour in cardamom plum banana smoothie into the glass. This is the final cardamom plum banana milk smoothie or cardamom plum banana milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the milkshake recipes and one of the most different of the cardamom recipes and one of the most delicious of the plum recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the banana milkshake recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.